Hey everyone, it's Carol. Today I'm going to do a PSA. My heart breaks for what's happening around the world. We need to stay together, we need to band together, we need to pray, and we need to help each other. I have some tips for you that you could use, maybe, possibly, in emergency situations. Number one, I will put a few links down below for this solar powered charger. This has been charging up my phone today because my electric went out on one side of the room. I have to push the circuit breaker. In the meantime, this one was charged. This is a solar power charger. You just leave it out on your patio. It's waterproof, it's solar, and you just carry it with you. Hang it on your purse, hang it on your pants, leave it in the dashboard of your car, and you will always be able to charge your phone in case of an emergency or just to have it charged. So I will find you a few links for this. This is the USB port, and this is the USB port. And you can use either one, and then you just press this, and then it turns on. And the power goes on to your phone. So, I thought you might need to know that because my phone's always dying, my computer's always dying. So I thought this would be a good tip for you. Let's talk about the toilet paper situation. Okay, everybody's going crazy, stocking up, which rightly so. It's okay because if you go into the stores now, you won't find any. And I have a few tips for you. First of all, you can also stock up on these Equate flushable wipes. Now it has to say flushable. So check your wipes before you buy them and make sure that they are flushable. You flush one per, I would put one per flush, and not to stuff the toilet with too many of them. But I have Cottonelle ones and it says plumber approved. So I have been using these and they are wonderful and they are good in a pinch. So you could order these online. I'll put links down below. Now, because you might want to conserve toilet paper, you might want to try alternate methods. So another method would be this fabulous portable bidet. I got this online. I did a video about this years ago. You fill it up with water. It has a little opening here and like a little screw that allows the air to pump in and out. You fill it up with very warm water, maybe a little soap, little hand soap or shower gel, and the water comes out right here. And all you do is spray and spray and spray, and a beautiful stream of water comes. And if you do this, this will help you save on the TP and keep you squeaky clean. Now, if you don't want to buy that, and you want to carry a portable one with you, then this is the Hygienia. It is the Evolution of Clean, perfect for on the go. There is one of them inside here, and this is the one that comes inside. And all you need is a bottle of water and this. And you can turn your bottle of water into a bidet. That really helps with saving a lot of TP. So I love these two things. Another very, very, very important thing I found on a viral video yesterday was about this woman who ordered so many rolls of toilet paper by mistake. She wound up with 2,000. So I zoomed in to see where she got them because they were so pretty. They were just so pretty. I said, oh, where'd you get those? Okay, so people are raving about this toilet paper company, and I'm going to tell you why. First of all, it's wrapped in really pretty paper. You could use this wrapping paper after you open it. You could save that paper, but it looks pretty in the bathroom. But that's not the point. It is double the roll. It is made from recyclable materials and is made from bamboo. It is not destroying the trees. It's eco-friendly, 100% recycled 3-ply toilet paper. 400 sheets, extra long rolls. And it's called Who Gives a Crepe? C-R-A-P, but I'll say crepe. Who Gives a Crepe donates 50% of the profits to help build toilets for the 2.3 million people who don't have one. They've donated over 1 million to date. Loo rolls are made without trees. So they donate 50%. They're made without trees. The eco-friendly double-length rolls are super soft and come individually wrapped in delightful, reusable paper. Made without any inks, dyes, or scents, this TP feels as good on your bottom as it does on your conscience. It's a sustainably sourced, 100% recycled toilet paper roll. Extra long, contains 400 sheets. This company had 50% of the profits donated to fund sanitation projects. Each box contains 48 rolls. This is the reason why I have got on today to tell you. When we learned that 2.3 billion people, roughly 40% of the world's population, does not have access to a toilet. 289,000 children under 5 die every year from diarrheal diseases caused by poor water and sanitation. That's almost 800 children per day, or 1 child every 2 minutes. Luckily, toilets are proven to be a great solution. They provide dignity, health, and improved quality of life. And in case that wasn't enough, we donate half of our profits to nonprofit organizations working to improve access to hygiene, water, and basic sanitation in developing countries. Donated over 2.6 M Aussie dollars. That's the equivalent of over 1,900,000, which is enough to help tens of thousands of people in need, and we're just getting started. I will put the links down below to this website. Okay, before I go any further, I have to tell you that they are out of stock right now. But if you're interested in it, go to the website and put your email on the mailing list so they'll notify you when they come back in stock. I would suggest buying it online from them. The wrapping paper is so pretty. The reviews on it are amazing. The toilet tissue is so soft. It's all from recyclable paper, and the fact that they're giving 50% to build toilets around the world just makes me feel so happy. I just can't believe some people don't have that. So I wanted to get on here in lieu of this state emergency that we're all in and just tell you a few little tips, and I hope you enjoy it. And I'll be putting up some extra videos now that we're more homebound, so look for them. And I hope you have a beautiful week, and I hope to see you again.